This is the pee guide. Did you know that your dog's pee color actually might tell you about what's going on inside their body? So, guys, we have created these with food colors, so they're not exact colors, right? They're in real life, in real bodies. There's going to be variations. It may also not be crystal clear like this is. It might be murky, it might be cloudy. So, all of those variations you will see. But this is to give you an idea of what you need to look out for. This is perfectly normal pee. Most of the time, most of the day, your dog will probably pee like this. If your dog is drinking a lot of water, like during the summer and peeing frequently, it can get lighter than this as well. This can be first thing in the morning. And if your dog is not drinking enough water the previous day. So if your dog's morning pee is like this or anywhere between this and this, you might want to look into adding a little extra water sneakily into their food. This is highly concentrated urine. I would pay serious attention to how much water your dog is consuming. If your dog is on dry food, you have to get more hydration into your dog. Your dog's kidneys are getting stressed. There's far too much that it is trying to filter out and in too little fluid. You imagine putting this into double the water, it would get milder and milder in color, right? So we want to focus on that. If your dog is ill at all or has been having antibiotics, then that could be one of the causes as well. So get your dog's urine tested. Okay, this and this is serious, guys. If your guy, not your guy, your dog, sorry. If your dog has any of these, it could be because they are being given serious vitamins. It could be because of a lot of medication. It could be because the liver and kidneys are stressed. It could be because there is a kidney disease. It could be severe dehydration, which should give you other symptoms also. But if your dog is peeing like this, you must get to the vets and you must get it tested and you have to do corrective measures as quickly as possible. Last thing I want to say is no matter what color you are at, if it is murky, if it is cloudy, if it is not clear water, then you want to do a urine test. You might want to do a urine culture as well to see whether your dog is having a UTI. It may not be kidney disease, it may be a urinary tract infection. So if it's murky, definitely test the urine. Like the poop videos, please share the pee videos with all your friends.